This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Daignault. This one checks the boxes. 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living, dining and family rooms, indoor laundry room with lots of storage, oversized 2-car garage. Large swimming pool. Navigable waterfront on wide canal that will take you to Sykes Creek, Indian or Banana Rivers, and beyond. And the seawall has already been replaced. Master bathroom recently redone. Spacious bedrooms. Some windows already updated. Natural gas already plumbed to house, so that gourmet kitchen can easily be yours. Close to Kennedy Space Center, Port Canaveral, Melbourne and quick easy commute to Orlando, especially the airport, UCF and new hospitals. For more info or to see this property call/text Barry Taylor 321-795-7074 for more information, review the details below or contact Christine Daignault at 321-591-3228.